best settings to increase performance and boost FPS in squad. So here are some best settings to increase performance and boost FPS in your squad. First, open up your Steam and then go with the top left, which has that Steam icon. Then go with settings right here. Once you're in your settings, you need to go with downloads and then go with download region. Now here you need to make sure that you've selected your region. Go with restart now. After restarting, you need to go with storage, and here on the right side, you need to go with the three dots and then go with repair library. Once done, under your downloads, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with clear download cache and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. After that, you need to go back, and here you need to go with your library. And here, I don't have the squad game, but you can go with the same process. I'll just simply go with the first one right here, right click on it, and then go with properties. Under properties here, you will have installed files. Once you find the installed files option, you need to go with browse on the right side, and then go and select the folder or the game.exe section and then click on it. After that, you can go with your properties. Once you get this kind of interface, you need to go with the compatibility section, and then you can go with run this program as an administrator and click on apply and OK. After that, you need to open up your NVIDIA application, and then you need to go with the graphics option, which will be on the left side. And let's say we select Overwatch, you'll be able to adjust performance or the graphics by simply scrolling this all the way to the performance, the slider right here. Instead of the recommended section, you can go and adjust it. Simply do the same settings for all the other games as well. And make sure that all of the options under here are turned off. So just simply make sure that you've selected the performance to high. Then you want to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to search for graphics and go with graphics settings. And here you need to make sure that your hardware acceleration is turned on. After that, you need to restart your PC to apply your changes. Then you need to go and select your application. You can find the game over here. And from the drop-down menu, you need to select high performance for each game. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.